Oh, brother, mercy. Had to switch to my old camera, which I hate the way the audio sounds on this camera. It picks up every little bump and all. I ran out of storage on my phone, so I was starting to say I knew something was wrong right away with this because this part has to be reused. And this is the original part. Obviously, it's dirty. But see how flat this is? It's been machined kind of counterboard, and it's just flat all the way around. This one, they left this casting ridge right here. So this part, it fits. The bolt holes line up fine, but that dumb casting that they left down in there prevents it from seating flat. So I knew something was up then. Plus, I knew the cartridges were wrong. You can tell just by looking at them. This one, the exhaust side diameter here is smaller, the compressor side is bigger. These are about the same. In a perfect world, it'd be the opposite of this, so that you could get to the 6 screws easier once you get the 4 off the compressor. But forget that. Doesn't make too much sense. So also look at the difference here. That one's shallower, and this sucker is a lot deeper where the cartridge, it goes over the cartridge more. Core cartridge. So this has been a nightmare. Hindsight's always 20/20. So I don't even know what this dumb part does. It's got some kind of pipe that comes straight down off of there. Maybe something to do with the EGR. So anyway, I wouldn't recommend doing this. This has been a big nightmare, headache. And avoid this Roto Master from AutoZone. Get out of the zone, AutoZone. So, oh boy. Mercy, mercy. Let's see what the jukebox is playing. Rockin' Rob Halford, Judas Priest. May the metal gods be with us.